Before we had this much room to have people in our house, we used all of these tips in much smaller spaces. So they are functional in those places. We just scaled it up now while we're here. I keep benches all over the house. You can keep them behind couches a lot of the time without people noticing that you had benches behind your couches. And then you have emergency seating pretty quickly. My random, you never know what you'll find in here. Like someone who couldn't refold a tablecloth, stuffed it. But this actually is a tip. These are painter's drop cloths that are made for halls. And if you wash them, you can bleach them once, they get soft, and we've put so many years of use on all of these. Plus, where else would you find something that is the right size for 2 folding tables in a row? Drop leaf tables that you can pull out when you have a big crowd. I've used those, I've had multiple different ones, but I've always had one at least in our living space. This is my random selection of small coffee mugs. This way you know you have enough coffee because people have to keep refilling instead of getting big things. These, I love parchment baking sheets they come stacked. I have this hilariously huge restaurant rice cooker, but you can make rice in the oven. I have hanging on my fridge a magnet that converts large numbers to like what is 1/3 a cup in tablespoons or whatever. And this is this measuring thing is from a restaurant supply store. I mean, you could have a glass one, but a plastic one. Also, when multiplying a recipe, this is all the different tablespoon measurements on the side of one thing. We use these for this meal, but I usually buy bigger ones because I usually see them in person. But this is a great disposable option for a lot of foods, but it's great for this. I like it to be a little bigger, but everyone's just gonna have to deal with it tonight and use little ones. This is a highlight for me. Doing this method of cutting tomatoes makes it actually feasible that you could do it in a shorter amount of time.